And but anyways, for those that are early to join us, we want to talk about something for the ladies, my baby, my sisters Edu and my moms Hdiki Chichi, which could they should be sitting down.
So it's not all my girlfriends, not all my sisters and my moms.
I are my girlfriends. I mean, you know, yeah. So what we want to talk about is something that we're always getting on our inbox. My inbox, whenever we do my video, kusevza motor, chinja my tyre, my brakes, things like that. So this guy who's driving, right, he came up with a nice idea with a good friend of his, a mechanic. Right? Why don't we do a workshop for our ladies? You could teach this one how to do basic car maintenance.
I think so. What you're Mira?
Mira?
Yeah.
Anyways, what we are saying, car maintenance, kuchengereza motkari, uriwega, do it yourself without having to fork out too much money. Chenono badara msiandaita. Oh, is there an msiandaita?
What, you're gonna name someone?
Nah, I mean I'm petty, but I'm petty to that. Yeah, and I'm saying that not yay. So we've seen a lot of ladies getting taken advantage of. Panyetse motikari dzavo. Pane umwe wakazonzi true service right kuchinjira kana ma filter nemachichichi. Avatomboraidzwe kana old one racho. Onzi tachinja. Apa wacharge kwa kana $50, $50-$60 for a kit. Automo not all kit yachinjwa ina chichaitika yaenda ku men. Jonoita basa rekuona na chivharo.
Ayo takaona munhu one ari particular. Anga ine Nissan NV200. So this guy akatenga mota yake akafamba nayo for some months, almost a year. So as someone anofamba still akaita service yake twice. Achibhadhara mazimari for parts and labor. Then paakazoenda nayo ku one of our mechanics, our mechanic friends, we found out sometimes tongogara garage tichitaura nyaya, you know, kana tisirita mari tinogara garage taura nyaya. We found out kuti mota yake, it had the original Japanese Nissan oil filter, the original Japanese air filter, and oil yake yaratidza kuti it hasn't been changed in a while.
Basically yakaya nesu zvakaya nazo pa before
what ndo zvainge chingori nazvo. Abamoni, you've been paying someone to do service pamota yako. It's just unfair.
Yeah. A service kit is $60-$70 depending on nani, excluding labor. Dova maivura.
Takaona air filter yanga ya bloka to an extent yokuti air filter yanga ya unyana kudai so that it could allow air to pass through, because air filter it couldn't filter anymore. Yanga bloka ne chin. True story.
Aba munhu wabudisa bag rako chichi. Basically air filter yangopinza tsvina yese. And then you are wondering why your car is not performing. But you know that zvanga zvimbonyanyo dhure zvoti ungamba watovhara munhu. Some mechanics though. Not all of them, but there's some. So what we're saying is there are certain things that you should just know on your own. Samirire ngoti mota kana yafa
tenda kwa mechanic.
Unotona munhu antostika paroad shamwari. Spare wheel anaro, spanner anaro, jag anaro.
We are not saying mechanics are bad people. No.
Kune ma rogue elements.
Nah, just like any field zaunenge uri hauzoshayo ma rotten apples.
And they all want to get apart. So you should just know basic things. Even go check out oil. Oh yeah, pani mwe yamaitaura kuti Gasi is a service station, but there are some service stations where when you
check your oil.
Yeah. Where wapedza kudira fuel yako.
Tokuchekera oil.
And then you ngoti it's okay bo. Omva kuti ona oil yako yashota dira rimwe pint. Apa uchadiriswa oil isingayipindirane neengine yako. Or motikari painenge yafamba level reoil rinosiyana. Usually you're supposed to check your oil kana motikari yaita se yakula down my systems. Yomva utonzi musina oil. Wakutotopeswa apa oil yepa station yagara inodhura. So those are some of the basic things that you should know. Ngochinja vhiri. Amana spell ririmo back seat. Spanner unayo, jega unaro. But womba watongostika kuti saka zvatoma guys. On.
Pakaipa baba.
Apa ndichazoda aux cable. Ndichazoda aux cable. Yeah, so the idea is that we want to do a workshop
for women to come ladies through. Those are my basics in motor. How to check your oil, how to check your coolant levels.
Yes, coolant.
There are a lot of things, basic things on offer out here as a driver. My lights up dashboard, there's so many lights in the back up. You need to know most of them, what they mean. Every light in the back up has a meaning. You need to know what it means. Nofamani motor kuzotida kuputika uramba uchienda.
Tsanda ngofuka kuti richadzima rega. Actually light up dashboard rikadzima rega, you should be very worried. Boss ya uchaziye manje kuti Pavarosvika pakuneta rongoti I know what, let me just give a practical example of why I'm turning red or orange. Yeah, so those basic things you should just know them. So you let us know. Hit us on our inbox. I'll set it on a fixed date. My proposed venues are able, but we'll see. So you let us know in the inbox if you're interested.
And also, we've got so many companies that are going to come through. Machi showcase some of our products, their services. Manchester Motor.
Yeah.
Companies, we're not going to name them yet, but there are car companies. Vanotengesa mota, vanogadzira, vanosevhisa, vanotengesa maparts emota, service kits. All sorts of different companies are going to come through.
Yeah. She also present what they have on offer. And
in the words of my ZBC reporters, things are now at an advanced stage.
Yes. Yeah, this was a chance. And it's free, eh? It's free.
Yeah, it's free.
Don't pay for nothing. Just come. Go do this watch. Preferably come with your car, eh? And then, if you're lucky, might even get a free suspension check. If you're lucky.
Oh yeah, people are gonna win that.
Did you win that?
Did you win some free suspension check? Probably them service kits.
Yeah, my basic service kits. Your oil filter, air filter, oil, my plugs.
My tyre.
Oh yeah, true.
We don't know yet, but these are the things that are being proposed.
Panet going to my car. Oh yeah, and I was under couple of police.
Oh yeah, my free car wash. Futi yanengari pacha witness kwa wanu.
No.
Car wash.
You can get that. You can also get my free dashboard spray, car polish. Oh yeah, anzi ningiri moto karegezwe ne dishwasher kana ne. Mdara apa inini ndaigeza nini? Shit, nditori saska mimi. Ndaigeza ne nonzi powder. Washing powder.
Omo.
I don't know. So there are people that are going to come there and tell you good azvitwe, which is cool. Saka, you just let us know. Then totangira ipapo. Toina nechirongwa chedu. So